It is very, very angry. Channel that anger. Channel that anger internally and see how you can contribute to better things in Igbo. Channel that anger internally to see how you can hold our elected leaders accountable in Igbo. Because most of these people, but the reason why many of our brothers Juwewe excuse how they make investment in the southeast. Anyway, one of our brothers with very big factory in Lagos. Mona that our brother Neku enjoy ya one name. Kiki si we biaro di ya na Lagos iro ya na Igbo sim insecurity. That ye wa man that ye factory ya ebe obu na ndị mmadụ ada arụ ọrụ on Monday. Biko nna yogi, for the sake of our father's land, please, kayi biri n'udo. Let us join our hands together and work as a people. We are a very special breed of people as in the Igbo. But one thing we have to do different is that we have to come now together and say enough is enough, just like the Catalonians of Spain. I need you to research this. Research about the Catalonians of Spain. Research about how they developed their region. And today, any place you want to travel to in Spain is almost all the good places you want to visit in Spain is in their region. That time has come for us as a people to work together to make Igbo great again. Michael Okpara made Igbo the fastest growing region in the world. Let us do that again. We have done it before and we can do it again. Invest in Igbo. Support developmental projects in Igbo. Support content creators in Igbo. Many of you, you like every other content. You share them on your page, but not Igbo related content, not contents that are related to the Southeast. Shame on you. Shame on you. If you see content that is promoting Southeast, that is promoting Igbo, and you can't share it. Most times the support is not even about giving these content creators money. Reposting something on your Facebook page for other people to see it. Watching something on YouTube and sharing it. Beacon. Let us work together for the development of Igbo. Thank you so much.